So I'm going to be using the sunflowers transfers in this project, and I'm going to be adhering it to this envelope that I painted. It is an Amazon envelope that I got an order in, and love to flip these Amazon envelopes into cute decor, guys. They're very versatile, and you can flip it inside out if you want, but I love the edges of it, so I choose to paint it with white Boss Bond, which is like slick stick. It is kind of like a cover up and gives a really nice finish. But I wanted to go ahead and add some white paint. So I'm just using Cotton by Dixie Belle. So I give it a coat of that. And then for the checkerboard border, I'm just using a flat paintbrush and some Dixie Belle paint in the color Dusty Blue. So I just freehand a checkerboard border all the way on each side of the bag. Once my project is completely dry, then I'm going to adhere my transfer. Now, these sunflowers are from Essential Stencil, and I am a brand ambassador, but I absolutely love showing you how different ways to use these rub-on transfers and how you can, if you haven't quite mastered the hand painting, but you love the look of it, transfers are a great way to do that. And just adhering them to a solid surface is perfect just for decor and for gifts and different things like that. Now, guys, I am using the brand new for 2025 transfer tool by Essential Stencil. And I told you that when I first pulled it out of the envelope that I would give you my honest review. And actually, I'm in love with it and love how it really adheres the decal down. Now, the key is just to, rub and pull up that plastic paper that's on the top, and just make sure that it is coming off of the paper. If not, just hold it back down and rub it until it gets it comes off. Then I just take that plastic paper, go over it. It kind of like adds an extra layer of burnishing, and the decal is on there really well. So to give a little of extra depth and definition, I'm using my dark wax by Kills, and I got it off of Amazon, and just using a little mini scruffy brush. Now, what I'm doing is I have a baby wipe, and I am just wetting my finger and then just smoothing over the Kills wax just to kind of blur it or kind of fade it a little bit so that it's not so defined and stark. And so that is the key to it, to making taking these transfers to another level and making it look very hand painted. Now, to finish off the sides of the little checkerboard, I just took my white liner brush and just added a line in there. It's just something that I like to do for my checkerboard borders. And so then once that was completely dry, I took the Kills wax and went around and just wetting my finger just to smooth it out, spread it out a little bit. I just use my finger to go around and add that brown look that I like for my projects, just around the entire envelope. So I'm going to hand letter welcome, and just using a small flat paintbrush. That's what I use to hand letter my letters on. Now, I have been hand lettering for several years, and have just figured out a way to get my letters the way that I like them. I give God all the glory and praise for the patience and the willingness that I wanted to learn how to hand letter like this. I call them my happy dots. And so what I do is I make the letter, and then I just put a little dot on the edge of each of the letters. And then once that is dry, I'm going to go back in with a white liner brush and just add a little bit of white in each of the letters. Then once my letters are completely dry, then I take that Kills dark wax and go around each of the letters just to give it some definition as well. Also, to kick it up a notch, I'm using my black Sharpie marker. Now, this is the fine point Sharpie marker, and I just go around different parts of the sunflower and the leaves, just giving it a little bit of black defining. I just feel that the black just kind of makes my project pop. It brings out the flower a little bit more and just really gives me the finished look that I like. I also am adding some stickles in the color icicle and just giving it a little bit of stickles is glitter glue and or glitter paint. And so I'm just going around. And once it dries clear and it gives that glistening look that I want. It also brings my painted projects, takes it up a notch and gives it the look that I want. And so I am absolutely in love with the way that this sunflower decal turned out, and it looks so hand painted. And I hope that you are picking up some tips and tricks for your future projects. Now, for the green, I'm just think that one I got from Michael's or something like that. You can get stickles on Amazon. You can get it at different places on the web just by searching stickles, or maybe you can find it in the scrapbook section at some of the craft stores.